How to wash a backpack before school starts. Before washing the backpack, I took out the contents inside. Fortunately, I left out what I brought during the vacation, so I didn't have much to leave out. Candy sweets given as gifts at school. I see things that I haven't eaten, even garbage. These days, I bought the book bag together, but why are there so many pockets here and there? You have to check it out and take it all out. If you wash it by mistake, if you do not check it, it will be more dirty when washing together, so check is essential. And it's better to brush off the dusty areas in advance with a brush and wash them. It's a black bag, so it didn't look very dirty, but it is said that contamination was seen in what the children had buried. And honestly, you don't wash your bags well, do you? He said that this was an opportunity and that he would give it a try. It is said that if you run the bag in the washing machine, it will lose its shape like a hat. Remove the contents from the bag and shake off the dust. You need supplies: a large plastic bag to fit in, laundry detergent, and water and body. Put laundry detergent in the plastic bag and put it in the bag. At this time, he said that it would be better to use a Kimjang vinyl that doesn't tear easily than a regular plastic. And lukewarm, fill it with slightly warm water. That way, the dirt on the bag will come out. Add enough water to fill the bag. When the water is full, put the upper part of the plastic so that water does not leak out. Be sure to tie the vinyl. It shakes a lot since I took the video by hand. I take pictures and do laundry by myself. It's to get rid of dirt by rubbing the bag filled with it. I thought that the vinyl would tear when I slept like this, so I had to use a stronger vinyl. At this time, it's not like you've done everything. You're not going to drain the water out of the bag. It is said that if you leave it like this for about 30 minutes, the dirt buried in the bag will come off. After 30 minutes, I took the bag out and found that the water was very black. Discard the water on the plastic. This vinyl was dried and used again as a plastic in charge of our recycling waste. After rinsing the bag again with water, dry with the top side down. They say you have to dry it after wiping it off with a towel. Then he said that he had to wash the towels again. I took this part off and just let the bag dry. I even washed and dried my indoor shoes and hats. The children were getting ready for school. In the afternoon, I dried the drained bag indoors for another day. How to wash a backpack. What to bring: Gimjang plastic or a large plastic bag to hold a bag in, laundry detergent, lukewarm water, and a person. 1. Remove all items from the bag. 2. Shake off dust in the bag where there is a lot of dust. 3. Go to the bathroom, put laundry detergent in the plastic bag, and put the bag. 4. Fill with lukewarm water enough to submerge the bag. 5. When the bag is filled with water enough to submerge, tie a plastic bag and rub it all over the place. 6. Do not drain the water and soak it for 30 minutes to remove dirt. 7. After 30 minutes, drain the water and rinse the bag again with running water. 8. Dry the bag from the outside so that the top of the bag goes down. It was also gone when it was buried in the shoulder area earlier. This bag is black, but if it was a different color, washed tea would have been better. It's black. After washing the bag, the scent is said to have improved. Washed and dried in the sun, it smells like that. It would be a good idea to wash the bags before the children start school. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe.